Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle 105. If we start with this box, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 8. 4 here, so 7, 4. For this column, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 5. 3 here, so 8, 3. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 1. I don't see any other help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, 5, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so 2, 5. 2 here, so 3, 5, 9. 2 and 3 here, so 5, 9. And 2 and 9 here, so 3, 5. So if we look, the only place that the 2 can be is here. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 2. 6 here, so 4, 6. For this box now, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 8. No help here. 5, 8, 9. Same here. 5, 8, 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 2 here and a 6 here, so 5, 9. Same here, 2 and 6, so 5, 9. 5 and 9 here, so 2, 6. 2 here, so 5, 6, 9. Now if we look, the only place the 2 can be in that box is here, and now the only place the 6 can be is here. This 2 makes this our 8, 2. And now with that 8, the 8 can't be here for this box, so it must be here. And we can get rid of this 8 and this 8. For this row now, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 8. 1 and 3 here. So this is our 8, 1, 3. And with that 3, we can get rid of this 3. And now the only place in this column a 3 can be is here. For this row now, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 here and a 6 here, so this is our 2. 6 here, so 5, 6. That 5 makes this our 9, 5. That 5 makes this our 7, 5. That 9 makes this our 5, 9. And that 5 makes this our 9, 5. For this row now, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 8. 1 here, so 5, 1. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. For this box, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this box, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 6. And to finish out this box, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.